cyber threat landscape is always changing and can strike your organization at any time. An insufficient understanding of potential threats, reliance on reactive hunting, and overtaxed production systems are common challenges for IT and security teams. These issues can contribute to longer dwell times, slower investigations, greater cyber incident impact, and increased risk of reinfection. I'm Alpika Singh, and in this video, I will walk you through how with Rubrik Threat Monitoring, you can leverage your backup data to detect security threats early by automatically identifying indicators of compromise using an up-to-date feed of threat intelligence and overcoming some of the challenges. So without any delay, let's get started. Rubrik provides data security solutions for diverse workloads, whether on-premise, in the cloud, or even SaaS. With air-gapped, immutable, access control backups, Rubrik can protect your data from insider threats or cyber attacks such as ransomware. Consequently, Rubrik offers an opportunity for various data analysis use cases to identify suspicious activities and files. Security teams can now conduct thorough threat analysis out of band from production infrastructure without needing additional agents or compute resources. Even if attackers are present within your production environment, they won't be aware of any ongoing threat investigations that occur within Rubrik on the data backups. This way, you can prevent raising any alarms that would otherwise lead to a heightened attack or initiate data deletion immediately. Rubrik Threat Monitoring conducts proactive scanning for indicators of compromise or IOCs on your existing data backup once it is enabled in Rubrik Security Cloud. It utilizes a verified and trusted Rubrik Threat Intelligence feed, which incorporates YARA rules and file hashes to search for IOCs. The Rubrik Threat Intelligence feed collates and manages intelligence through YARA rules and hashes from multiple trusted sources, including Rubrik's Zero Lab, InfoSec team, and selected third-party providers. If an IOC is identified upon completing proactive scanning, the dashboard presents a list of all the affected objects. By utilizing this feed of YARA rules and hashes, you can perform automatic threat scanning without needing to vet the intelligence information or even understand what you need to hunt for. This way, you can benefit from Rubrik's expertise without being bogged down by the vetting process. In this case, Threat Monitoring has identified one object with an IOC match. The dashboard also lists the last detection date and the match type. Let's examine the object to determine the IOC match details. On the left panel, you can now observe the file match based on IOCs derived from the Rubrik Threat Intelligence feed. You can also find details such as the date of the file's initial citing, the match type, whether YARA rules or hashes, and the time when the threat was first detected. The IOC attribute, such as the name, YARA rules, or hash details, become visible upon selecting the match. The IOC match type in this demo is a YARA rule. On the right panel, you can see the IOC details such as the exact folder path where the malware is located, the IOC name, hash details, first observed snapshots, and the first match snapshot. To prevent the possibility of reintroducing malware into the environment during recovery operation, you can leverage Rubrik Threat Containment. This feature allows you to quarantine the file and automatically isolate the associated snapshot, effectively mitigating the associated risk. By retaining the quarantined files, you can conduct post-incident reviews and gain insights into the root cause, point of origin, and other crucial details. By utilizing Rubrik Cyber Recovery in a secure, isolated environment, you can recover the quarantined snapshot to perform thorough analysis and investigation. Rubrik ensures up-to-date protection for your environment by regularly updating its threat intelligence with the latest, vetted, and curated information. By automatically integrating these validated IOCs in the feed, Rubrik safeguards your environment against the most prevalent threat. In summary, Rubrik Threat Monitoring leverages intelligence from Rubrik Zero Labs, Rubrik's InfoSec team, and third-party threat feeds. It automatically detects IOCs within the object backup snapshot. This proactive out-of-band scanning based on vetted threat intelligence accelerates investigations and minimizes the risk of reinfection in the production infrastructure. Thanks for watching. To learn more, go to www.rubrik.com.